If you're a tech geek who loves a good challenge, you need to try Hack the Box. This platform is a haven for anyone passionate about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Hack the Box offers a wide range of challenges that will test your skills and push you to your limits. Imagine a place where you can legally hack into machines, solve puzzles, and learn from a community of like-minded individuals. It's not just about hacking, it's about learning, growing, and becoming a better cybersecurity expert. It's where hackers become legends. The community is vibrant and supportive, with members from all over the world sharing their knowledge and experiences. You can join teams, participate in Capture the Flag, CTF competitions, and even earn respect and recognition within the community. The thrill of solving a complex challenge and the camaraderie of working with others make Hack the Box an unforgettable experience. Hack the Box is the ultimate playground for penetration testers and cyber enthusiasts. With a constantly updated list of machines and challenges, there's always something new to tackle. The platform offers a variety of difficulty levels, so you can start with easier machines and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Each machine is a puzzle waiting to be solved, and the sense of accomplishment you get from rooting a machine is unparalleled. In today's video, I'll give you a crash course on how to get started, and share some killer tips and tricks to own those machines. We'll go through the basics of setting up your environment, choosing a machine, and executing your first attack. I'll also share some of my personal experiences, including the highs and lows of hacking, and how to overcome common obstacles. So, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned hacker, there's something here for everyone. First off, our mission today is to conquer the lame machine. This machine is often recommended for beginners because it teaches fundamental skills that are essential for more advanced challenges. But don't be fooled by its name. Lame has its own set of complexities that will test your problem-solving abilities and your patience. No, seriously, that's its name. But it's anything but lame. Alright, let's dive in. The first step is to connect to the Hack the Box VPN, which will give us access to the machine. This is a crucial step because it ensures that all your activities are secure and isolated from your local network. Once connected, we'll start our reconnaissance phase. We're on the dashboard, and we're launching the VPN connection to access the machine. This process is straightforward but essential. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully to avoid any connectivity issues. Once the VPN is up and running, we can start our attack. Here comes the scan with Nmap. It's like our hacking radar. Nmap is a powerful tool that helps us identify open ports, services, and potential vulnerabilities on the target machine. It's the first step in our reconnaissance phase and provides valuable information that will guide our next steps. Look at all those open ports. Time to probe deeper. Highlight real time. Each open port represents a potential entry point into the machine. We'll need to investigate each one to find the weakest link. This is where our skills and tools come into play. Perfectly timed exploits, hilarious command line typos, and that one moment when I thought I broke the internet. Spoiler, I didn't. Now let's talk strategies. Always start with reconnaissance. This phase is all about gathering as much information as possible about the target. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be for the attack. Nmap and Gobuster are your best friends here. These tools help you map out the target's network and identify potential vulnerabilities. Nmap is great for scanning ports and services, while Gobuster is excellent for directory and file brute forcing. Together they provide a comprehensive view of the target. Take notes on everything you find. It's like a treasure map. Found a suspicious service? Google it. Documentation is key in hacking. Keeping detailed notes helps you track your progress and remember important details. If you come across a service or vulnerability you're not familiar with, a quick Google search can provide valuable insights and potential exploits. Stack Overflow is your new best friend. This platform is a goldmine of information and solutions. If you encounter a problem or need help with a specific tool or command, chances are someone on Stack Overflow has already faced the same issue and found a solution. Don't hesitate to leverage this resource. And never underestimate the power of a good dictionary attack. This method involves using a list of common passwords to try and gain access to the target. While it may seem simple, it's often effective, especially if the target has weak or default passwords. Always have a good dictionary file on hand. The moment you've all been waiting for, gaining root access. This is the ultimate goal of any hacking challenge. Gaining root access means you have full control over the target machine. It's a moment of triumph and validation of all your hard work and skills. Watch as I exploit this vulnerability like a boss and boom root shell. This is where all your preparation and reconnaissance pay off. Exploiting a vulnerability requires precision and timing, but the reward is worth it. Once you have root access, you can explore the machine, gather flags, and complete the challenge. The adrenaline rush is real, folks. Wrapping it up. Hacking is not just about technical skills, it's also about the thrill and excitement of overcoming challenges. The sense of accomplishment and the adrenaline rush you get from successfully hacking a machine are unmatched. Today we conquered the lame machine. This is just the beginning. Each machine you conquer adds to your experience and knowledge, making you a better hacker. The journey is long, but each step is rewarding. Faced some bumps, but we learned a ton. What's next? Every challenge comes with its own set of difficulties, but each one is a learning opportunity. Reflecting on your experiences helps you improve and prepare for future challenges. More machines, more challenges, and more epic fails. The world of hacking is vast and ever-changing. There's always something new to learn and new challenges to tackle. Embrace the journey and don't be afraid of failure. Each failure is a step towards success. Subscribe for more hacking adventures and check out my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and epic hacking adventures. Happy hacking! And remember, if you need any help or support, call RFS 85, he has cookies.